They said this thing does 20 trees a day. Let's test it. Feels underpowered. Maybe it's on eco mode. 11, 12, 15. Return time, pretty sure it's broken. Consumer rights are on my side. Consumer rights are on my side. Consumer rights are on my side.
I'd like to use my consumer rights, old man. This thing doesn't work.
Easy there, Bear, or your starter will give out.
Show me that toy.
Oh, it growls? I prefer the old ways. That roaring box would only scare my squirrels.